Hey, what is up, investors? Jason here. So we're going to be continuing our series here on Ethereum. Now, currently, we're not really seeing much price movement with Ethereum at this moment, but we're still within this corrective wave trying to figure out what's going to happen here with this price, because we still haven't seen the price of Ethereum dip below our B wave. So we're hoping, crossing our fingers, that we're going to continue seeing Ethereum pumping through this Fibonacci level, through that $1,600 price, that it is having a bit of difficulty doing so. And then from there, hopefully taking us into that next Fibonacci level, which we can then continue to finish our C wave, our first structure of our next first bullish wave within our next 5-wave Elliott wave structure. So let's get into this. Let's get into these technical analysis. As we do, if you don't mind, please do me a huge favor. Please be sure to smash, destroy, annihilate, or just gently press that like button. Helps me out a lot with the YouTube algorithm, helps spread the content to more people that might find it interesting, and subscribe and push that bell notification if you have not already. Now let's get to it. So whenever I talk about Ethereum or Bitcoin, it's really important to always look at that market cap, the entire crypto market cap, $976 billion. Still, we're under $1 trillion market cap. And hopefully we'll start seeing Ethereum making some moves, also Bitcoin as well. But I really think Ethereum could really make those moves and get the crypto market back above $1 trillion. So, looking at what's going on with Ethereum right now, in the last 7 days, it's up about 6%, but over these last 24 hours, it is still down a little bit. We are seeing that sideways trading that is affecting things right now at this moment. Now, luckily though, we are still within this 50% Fibonacci level, trying to pump through that 38% Fibonacci level, and that is from our entire run where we had gone from this low here from around mid-June on into now, where we had managed to reach that price that was a bit above the price of $2,000. So hopefully we'll be able to see the price of Ethereum start to really retrace those. And this is just after recovering, from this head and shoulders pattern that we have here. And then hopefully these next 5 waves are going to be what is going to be what could send us into, either this neutral price prediction, which is still a good price prediction, and many people will say that this is a bullish price prediction. And I say, yeah, you're technically right, but I have this absolute bullish price prediction up here. Hopefully we'll be able to see the price of Ethereum going to $3,000 by the end of September or the beginning of October. Now, I understand that this price prediction is a bit wild to see the price of Ethereum going to within this amount of time, by the end of September or sometime within the beginning of October. And yeah, it is a bit wild to see such a case happen, but at the same time, that's why we have our neutral price prediction that is also a bit bullish, because when it ends up hitting that, you're also happy at the same time. But anyways, another thing that I also want to point out is this run that we had seen here that was only a few days, and it's within our first wave, on our first bullish wave that we had on July 13th. Now, what we had seen is that the price of Ethereum, went up. It went up about $600 or more, a little bit more than $600 or so during just like a 4-day span. So we know that there's those huge price pumps that you can see with Ethereum and crypto in general. I mean, the volatility within crypto, there's those possibilities, those big gains and also those big losses at the same time. But given that the Ethereum merge, we're going to be getting that here very soon. That's a big catalyst, and now hopefully that catalyst will be something that, of course, we'll probably see some selling off. But after that point, if we continue to see the positive momentum within the crypto market, then there's that possibility that we can continue riding that after we see some selling off, after the Ethereum merge, after that's all priced in, and then start gaining again from there, like within that next week or 2 weeks after the Ethereum merge. And I'm hoping that's what would end up making this type of scenario something that could be realistic. But also, anything can change within that. So anyways, that's what's currently going on. Hopefully we see the price of Ethereum pump through this $1,600 Fibonacci level and then take us on into the price of around $1,800 or more, pump through that, and then continue retracing these gains. Now, that's the current price news with Ethereum. I make sure I do these updates every single day. Now, I told you guys I have a baby coming any day. My wife's full term pregnant right now. So if there's any reason you don't see an update from me, that is the reason, but I'll be sure I'll get back to it really fast. So with that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. And also feel free to recommend what cryptocurrencies you want me to talk about.